This is going to be so much fun. First, go over here to the assignment, click this link, and watch the two little Easybib tutorials that are there. If you don't watch those, you'll be a little bit behind, so we want to make sure that we bring out your brilliance. So watch those tutorials. Now, come back over here to the assignment, and we're going to create a citation list in Easybib. That's covered in those two tutorials. Let's do this together now. In my Easybib, I created a citation list called Fun with Easybib Assignment. I'm going to click on that to make sure that all my citations that I add go to the right place. Now I'm going to go over to Google and I'm going to think about 5 things that interest me. I don't care what they are. Whatever interests you interests me. I typed in this in Google, and now I'm going to click enter, and I'm going to see lots of articles. And it's going to be a temptation for me not to click this video and watch for the next 40 minutes. So I'm going to have to scroll down. I say focused. Now I'm going to find an article in the NFL.com. That looks like a reputable source, doesn't it? Remember, we covered that in the videos that you'll click on before you do this assignment. So I'm going to click this. And now that I'm here, I'm going to copy the URL. And I'm going to go over to my Easybib project, make sure I'm in the right project, create the citation. I'm going to paste that here, let it search. It's going to bring up that. And I'm going to see this. I need to make sure the title is better. That's a mess. I need to make sure that I, display the URL. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to see if there's an author in that article. Since there's no author, this will be a site contributor that created this article. Over in my Easybib, I type in site contributor. I can take that last name out, and I just need to go ahead and fix this title. And remember that I can shorten this title because the reader knows that the reader can go to this URL and find the article if they wanted more information. All right, complete the citation, and there it is. Ignore that because I've now created everything that I know. Now I'm going to demonstrate one more. You'll do this a total of 5 times. I'll show one more. Typed in United States Poet Laureate for 2023. I don't know, it just came to mind. And I see this from the Library of Congress, and anything that has a .gov is obviously going to be a reputable site. Just in case I see anything else, but I think that one's 5. So let's do that. Library of Congress. Same process. We're going to go up here. We're going to copy. Go over to the Easybib project. We're in the right project. Create the citation. We're going to paste. Let it find it. Cite it, and it shows the contributor as Library of Congress, so we'll go with that. I need to fix this title. Okay, so I capitalized the words in the title. We have the author shown. We go in here, we click yes, we want that URL to show, and then we click down here. Complete the citation. Now let's say that I've done all 5 of these and I'm ready to create the citation list. Now I'm going to export all, and I have a choice to make. I can either export this as a Word document or as a Google Doc. Let's go through both ways. First, let's click on the Microsoft Word document. I click export, and the document will show up here. There it is. As you can see, it looks all pretty. We go up here, we're going to enable editing. And it looks good. It's all in Times New Roman 12 font. And we make sure that it's clicked on normal, because if it goes over here to one of these other things, it's going to go all claflooey. That is not correct. That is not correct. right? So that is not correct. And any of these others are going to be a mess. So we stay right here with normal. And we make sure that that is centered, that this is at the margin. The second lines are indented. And we make sure that none of the URLs are live. Let's say something happens and they are live. Let's figure out how to fix that. If it does this, then we simply highlight, right-click, remove hyperlink. Highlight, remove hyperlink. Now it's all pretty. Uh-oh, something happened in that process, and this is not in Times New Roman. So we need to change this over to Times New Roman. 12 font. Now it looks good. Okay, did that add one more? Did it add it? No. There we go. But for some reason, that's adding an extra space. There should only be 2 spaces under works cited. Let me see what happened there. Okay. Right. Now you'll have 5 of these. Now that I've done this, I'm going to scoot all this down. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go back over to the left margin. I'm going to add my name, course date, and word count. Okay, I don't need that to be all double spaced like that. So I can go back up here, and click. Let's just make it nice. Now, the word count I can get by going to Review, Word Count, and add that in. Now it looks all pretty. This doesn't need to be that far down the page. So I can scoot that back up. Then I'm going to save this as a PDF. I'll put the word count in there, whatever that was. And then I will save this as a PDF and be ready to submit that. Now, let's take a look and see if we do this as a Google Doc. I'm back over in Easybib. I'm going to export all, and I'm going to export this as a Google Doc. It's going to have me connect my Google account. Then I click Export, and it's going to bring that Google Doc up. And it'll say View Document. Okay, now here it is as a Google Doc. It's in Times New Roman. It's in 12 font. And it's under normal text. Let's see what happens if by some means we do that. That's not right. Say it goes like this. That's not correct either. Right? So we want to make sure that we stay right here in normal. We want to make sure that none of these URL links are highlighted. Let's say somehow that the links did get highlighted. All we do is we go up here and we click the link, we right click, and we remove the link. Go over here, right click, remove the link. Uh-oh, something happened, didn't it? Somehow that got out of Times New Roman. So we want to make sure we go back over here, put it in Times New Roman. Lovely. Same story. We scoot down here, we add name, course, date, and word count. And to find that word count, we go up here to Tools, Word Count, Words. I think I can do that. All right. Now you will do this and you will have 5 of these. Make it all pretty, then save it as a PDF. And in Google Docs, we want to come over here to go to File, Download as a PDF. And then I submit that PDF to the assignment. Quick review, watch the tutorials, create your own citation list, open the Google search page, find 5 things that are interesting to you for a total of 5 citations, add your name, course, date, word count, save it as a PDF, submit the document here. And there is another little document that shows you what a works cited should look like, just in case you want to reference that before you submit it. When you have completed the assignment, you've got the PDF all ready to go, then you're going to click here on Start Assignment. Now when that opens, you scroll down and you stay right here in File Upload. Nothing's needed over here. Stay right here. choose that PDF that you saved on your computer and click that PDF, and then simply click Submit Assignment. Let's say you're like me and you wake up tomorrow morning and you go, oh my goodness, I forgot to put my word count on it. That's fine. As long as it has not yet been graded, you can go back in, complete the process again, click begin submission, and then stay right here in File Upload, upload that new file that you created, and it will override the other file. And then you click Submit Assignment. You have unlimited attempts until the assignment is graded. Once it's graded, it's too late to go back in and try to change something. So that happens to me all the time. And it's nice to know that I can go back in before the assignment is graded and submit again. One more time. Stay right in here. Choose the file from your computer. Submit the assignment. That's it for this tutorial for the Fun with Easybib assignment.